Good morning, y'all. It is fridge clean out day. So I'm taking these old mushrooms and these kind of squishy tomatoes and we're going to dehydrate them. Make sure your produce is good and washed and let it pat or air dry. I really like to use dehydrated mushrooms in risotto as well as in like stocks and stews and sauces and seasoning powders. I put the mushrooms and the tomatoes into my Excalibur dehydrator overnight at the temperature that they recommend for vegetables. It's either 125 or 135, but it says on the machine. Keep a lookout for part 2 to see how these came out.